Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F12 and today I will show you fingerprint sensor test, how fast it is and how reliable it is. You can find fingerprint sensor on the right edge. Let's make few tries and let's see how it works. So as you can see right now, this fingerprint recognizes this sensor recognizes my fingerprint every time, and you don't have to press for it. You can simply just tap like that or swipe. It will also work, but for sure you can tap like that. It will also unlock the phone, so we can decide how we can make it. And as you can see, when I tap with other finger, it's not going to work because I link only this finger. And I think that the sensor is really fast and it recognizes my finger every time. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.